in this lecture, I want to work on my project and create a job applicant form. Okay, I created this form before, and now I want to show you how to create this form. Create another file, save as, and job applicant.html. Save and job applicant form. Close this one and open job applicant. Okay, first I have a h1 tag, job applicant form. Save, refresh. Very good. And then create a form tag. Create a h3 personal information. Then create a input type text. Before that, first name, input type text, set name, first name, last name, input type text, name, last name, and the third one, middle name, input type text, name, middle name. Save, refresh. Very good. And set placeholder, first name, placeholder, last name, and placeholder, middle name. Save, refresh. Fantastic. Then I want to create this text area. We are and create a table for this one because I want to put it under this one and create a table row, table data, current address, another one, permanent address, save. Okay. And create another TR table data text area, set name, current address, and another one, permanent address. Save, refresh, and I want to change the size. Rows and set 10. Save. Okay, and increase the width. Use calls 30. Save, refresh. Fantastic. And placeholder, type your address and set rows 10, calls 30, and set a placeholder, type your address, refresh. Fantastic. Under the table, use paragraph, and I want bold, phone. Then save, refresh. Very good. Home, set home, phone, and input type text, and set size to be 10. Save. Yes, is good. And set max length to I want set 4 characters. 4 characters. Save it and refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it's very good. Then type line bracket and mobile phone input type text and set size 10, max length 4 characters. Okay, I want line bracket again and set another input for home phone. Place holder for country code. Placeholder country code. Then input type text and placeholder home phone. Save. Very good. A little space. Save. Fantastic. Copy this one. A little space and mobile phone. Save, refresh. Okay, insert horizontal line. There you go. In next lecture, I want to work on employment desired and availability and set a button. Good luck.